Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Cardano from Coinbase Wallet to Trust Wallet. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're switching for better security or just exploring options, this guide will have you set in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and access to your Cardano funds. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and select Cardano from your list of holdings. You'll see your balance. Double-check that it's the amount you want to transfer. Next, switch over to your Trust Wallet. If you don't have it yet, download it from your App Store and create or import your wallet. Once inside, go to the Cardano section. Trust Wallet supports Cardano natively. Tap on Receive to generate your wallet address. This is crucial, so copy this address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it across devices if possible, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, head back to Coinbase. In the Cardano asset page, look for the Send or Withdraw button and click it. Paste the Trust Wallet address you copied into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Coinbase might prompt you for a two-factor authentication code. Enter it to proceed. Review the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. After that, you'll see a confirmation screen, and the transfer should process on the Cardano blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Cardano from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. Remember, always be cautious with crypto transfers to prevent losses from scams or errors. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.